Hey there, welcome to Neon Harbor. Ready for a?
It's always lively here, especially when twilight.
Did you hear about the rare owl that showed up here?
I did. They say it perched right on the tallest.
The harbor's calm is shattered as darkness takes over. Oh no! The blackouts caused the barrels to break loose! Don't worry, I've got this! Watch and learn! Nori, careful! The puddles are making things worse! Great teamwork, everyone! That's how it's done!
Okay, maybe I got a little carried away. Thanks, For.
Thanks for sticking with us. Come back anytime.
Next time, I promise to be a little less daring, maybe.